hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how to connect an HDMI cable to your Android smartphone. Okay, for screen mirroring your Android phone to your smart TV or any PC laptop. So at that time, if you have the HDMI cable in your phone, there is no HDMI port, as you can see guys. So the phone comes only with type C port only, as you can see. So now if you want to connect the HDMI cable to your Android phone, is it possible or not? Yes guys, this is possible by using this simple adapter type C to HDMI. I have simply purchased the type C to HDMI port. Okay, so simple, you need to connect your type C adapter to your phone like this. Okay, in the other end you need to connect the HDMI cable like this. Okay, now your phone was connected with the HDMI cable via this adapter. The other end of your HDMI cable, you can easily able to connect this to your smart TV, PC, monitor, anywhere. Okay, so for example, I have this laptop, as you can see guys. Simply find out the HDMI port on your device and then simply connect it. That's it. Okay, now you can easily able to share your phone screen to your laptop easily. So guys, if the HDMI cable adapter is not working on your phone, you need to do some setting on your phone. In your phone, go to your phone settings. In the phone settings, first you need to find out the OTG connection. If the OTG connection is disabled, you need to enable it. If you don't have the developer option, you need to enable the developer option. To enable the developer option, go to about phone, go to software information, tap on build number continuously 6 to 7 times, and then the developer option will enable. Okay, after the developer option was enabled, open it and turn on the developer option. Scroll down slightly, you need to enable the USB debugging option. That's it. So as you can see guys, I have successfully mirrored my Android phone screen to my laptop via using this adapter. Okay, so now you can easily watch your favorite movies, or if you want to share the presentation from phone to your PC. So not only on laptop screen guys, you can easily share your Android phone screen to your monitor screen or your smart TV screen via using HDMI cable and this adapter. Okay, that's how you can easily able to connect the HDMI cable to your Android phone and mirror your Android phone screen anywhere. So that's for today guys, the short and simple video. Hope you enjoy this video. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.